quick visual here. I spotted this just walking around and I have to show you. Right behind me is this beautiful landscaping. Super, super pretty.
Their purpose is just to look good. That's the whole vision for modern landscaping.
Now, what if every single species here was productive? What if all of these berries or all of these perennial shrubs were actually, and shade tolerant, were actually berry producing? What if this tree above it was actually a cherry tree? And what if this tall shrub was actually an elderberry? Maybe we had a filbert or a hardy almond. Maybe over here we had a hardy fig, right? All of this landscaping wood chipped, instead of using dyed and fungicide treated wood chips for coloring and aesthetic appeal, what if we used raw chipped organic matter, like fresh branches with all their leaves still intact, and we chipped all that up and we put it down? It would encourage the soil biology, the soil life. We start to have a totally different view.
And this section here, which is beautiful, would not only be beautiful, it would also be highly productive food source for your family. Now, what if on the south side we had a little bit of vineyard going, maybe a little bit of grapevines moving between the canopies, trellised on wires between trees, or following branches from one tree to the other and back down again. Something harvestable, not letting them go to the top, but keeping it harvestable. Right? Now, what if over time these wood chips transitioned away from wood chips, and that first start of using wood chips wasn't permanent, but then we could transition this a little further into a living mulch, much like this. But instead of being grass, which is virtually useless and expensive, we use something productive like creeping thyme, or in warmer climates, a creeping rosemary, variety of shrubs and ground covers, strawberries, different things to shade the ground.
Now, if we did that, it would still look beautiful. It would still be aesthetically appealing. Your HOA would still approve it. The only difference is that it's productive plants, productive species. So we just need a little bit of just a tweak in what we're doing. Just take out some of the toxins and put in some productivity, right? Now, what if the rain catch off the house gravity fed that system, so you didn't have to water it yourself, right? Your sprinkler systems, if that's what you're working with, can still do their job, right? You can just transition these big, beautiful homes all down the street to being regenerative and functional. And it's very easy. It's not as hard as people make it look or sound. Right?
So you wonder what it looks like when there's a food forest in the front yard? Absolutely beautiful. Some black raspberries.
It's there, yeah. Yeah, so that was in the download link I gave you as well.